Welcome, my dear students. How are you? I think you are all fine. By the grace of Almighty Allah, I am also well. Today I will take class on English first paper. I think you will listen to me carefully and then learn what I am saying here. So I am going to start my class. You know me, I think, and you have also enjoyed the previous class. So I am Shahidul Islam from Auliyapur High School, Bakirganj. Today our subject is English first paper, Unit 6, Lesson 2. Look at the flags. Do you know which flags indicates which countries? Yes, your answer is very right. Maldives, Sri Lanka, India, Nepal, Pakistan and Bhutan. Yes, these are our neighbor countries. Do you know him? Yes, he is Musa Ibrahim. Do you know what is his great achievement? Yes, his great achievement is hoisting Bangladesh flag on the Himalayas. Let's see the video here. So I think you have enjoyed this video of Musa Ibrahim. So do you know what is the name of this peak? Yes, it's a picture of Mount Everest. Do you know where is Mount Everest? Yes, Mount Everest is in Nepal. So today's class is our neighbors Nepal, the land of Everest. Yes, you have correctly guessed it. Read the following passage on Nepal. Yes, known as land of Everest, Nepal is one of the most charming countries in Asia, and the kingdom of Nepal is a small land of sublime beauty. It has some of the world's best and very important temples. It is a country that is rich in scenic beauty and cultural heritage. So the most charming countries in Asia, it is also known as the only Hindu kingdom in the world. The kingdom of Nepal is as a small land of sublime beauty. It has some of the world's best and very important temples. It is a country that is rich in scenic luxury and cultural treasures. So learning outcomes. After completing this lesson, students will be able to read, comprehend and summarize text, ask and answer questions, read travel ads and talk about them, write letters to friends describing places of interest. So, look at the map, talk with your friend and find out where is Nepal. So, I think you have got the land area of Nepal. The Nepal, it is between the India and the China. To find out, click one country's name. Yes, Nepal is here. We will see other countries: Afghanistan, Pakistan, Bhutan, Bangladesh, India, the largest country, Myanmar, and Sri Lanka. So you easily find this country what we are learning today. So look at the pictures and talk with your partner. What about the pictures? Nepal, known as the land of Everest, which is one of the most charming countries in Asia. It is also known as the only Hindu kingdom in the world. The Kingdom of Nepal is a small land of sublime beauty. It has some of the world's best and very important temples. It is a country that is rich in scenic beauty and cultural heritage. So look at the pictures and talk with your partner. What about the pictures? So you see, Nepal lies between India and the Tibetan part of China. This small country has an area of 1,47,181 square kilometers. Southern Nepal is tropical lowland known as the Tri-Plain. Here the temperatures reach up to 40 degrees Celsius in April and May, and monsoon rains drains this region from June to September. Look at the pictures and talk with your partner. What about the pictures? Here the temperature reach up to 40 degrees Celsius in April and May, and monsoon rain drains this region from June to September. North of that is the slope of the mountain sections of the Himalayan range. This part of Nepal has some of the highest peaks of the world, including Everest. So let's see the population of Nepal. Nepal is home to nearly 2 crore 90 lakh people here. The population is primarily rural. Kathmandu, the capital city, has less than 1 million inhabitants. Nepal's demographic features are complicated not only by dozens of ethnic groups but by different castes. In total, there are 103 castes and ethnic groups having in this small country. The two largest of such groups are known as Chetri and Bahun. Others include Magar, Tharu, Tamang, Newer, Muslims, Gurung, and Damai. About 48% of the people speak Nepali. Among other languages spoken are Maithili, Bhojpuri, Tharu, and Tamang. So the population is primarily rural. Kathmandu, the capital city, has less than 1 million inhabitants. Ethnic group in Nepal. Nepal demographic features are complicated not only by dozens of ethnic groups but by different castes. In total, there are 103 castes and ethnic groups living in this small country. The two largest of such groups are known as Chetri and Bahun. So these are the pictures of Tharu, Dhamai, Magar, Muslims, Chetri, Bahun, etc. About 48% of the people speak Nepali. Among other languages spoken are Maithili, Bhojpuri, Tharu, and Tamang. So, let's see some important words of today's classes. So, see the word charming. The scenery is very charming to look at. So, what is the meaning of the word charming? Yes, anything, sceneries or countries that looked very beautiful. Let's see the next word, sublime. The pictures has a sublime beauty. So let's see the meaning. Anything that look at the best or most excellent kind. So the next word is temple. In Nepal has some of the world's best and important temples. So what is the meaning of temple? A building used for the worship of a god or goddess. Monsoon. The next word is monsoon. Monsoon rains falls in Nepal from June to September. Let's see the meaning. A wind in South Asia which blows from the southeast in summer. The next word is ethnic. In Bangladesh has also many ethnic groups such as Chakma, Manipuri, etc. So let's see the meaning. A nation, race or tribe that has a common cultural traditions. So read the text A, B, C silently, then look at the pictures and answer the following questions. So I think you have gone through the text and read them carefully. So let's see the questions. Where is Nepal situated? Yes, you are right. Nepal is situated between India and China. Write about the populations, weather and culture of Nepal. So you know, I have discussed it earlier and your answer is correct. You know 2 crore 90 lakh people live in Nepal. You also know the weather and culture of Nepal. This part of Nepal has hot summers and warm winters. Here the temperatures reach up to 40 degrees Celsius in April and May, and monsoon rains drains this region from June to September. The central highlands including Kathmandu and Pokhara valleys have a temperate climate and also influenced by the monsoons. North of that is the slope of the main sections of the Himalayan range. This part of Nepal has some of the highest peaks of the world including Everest. So, the culture of Nepal here. The population is primarily rural. Kathmandu, the capital city, has less than 1 million inhabitants. In total there are 103 castes and ethnic groups living in a small country. Two largest of such groups are known as Chetri and Bahun, and all of them speaks in Nepali, and others languages are also spoken here: Maithili, Bhojpuri, Tharu and Tamang. So pair works, go to section E and read the advertisement of a package tour to Nepal. Dhaka Kathmandu Pokhara package tour, price BDT 39,999, duration 4 nights and 5 days. Package includes return air ticket with Bangladesh airport taxes and Kathmandu departure taxes, 2 nights accommodation in Kathmandu, 2 nights accommodation in Pokhara, buffet daily breakfast and dinner, both way airport transfers in Kathmandu, Pokhara, Kathmandu by AC bus, half day sightseeing in Kathmandu Valley. So now discuss with your friend if the statements are true or false. If false, give the correct informations. The package includes the cost of traveling from Kathmandu airport to the hotel in Kathmandu. The tourist will be provided with breakfast, lunch and dinner. No, it's a false. The tourists do not have to pay extra for a half-day sightseeing in Pokhara. Yes, it's true. The tour operators will bear all the visa-related costs. No, it's a false. The tourist will go to Pokhara from Kathmandu by domestic airlines flights. It's also a false. So let's see your homework. Write a letter to your friend highlighting the main attractions of Nepal. So thank you and goodbye. If you have any questions, please ask me in the next class or please send me in my comment box. I will describe it correctly towards you and I will make them clear to you. So thank you. Goodbye.